In this video, we're going to show you how to use bulk edits in Cisco Unity for making bulk or a lot of changes in Cisco Unity nice, simple, and very easy. So let's say, for example, let's set up a possible scenario that could happen. Let's go to subscribers for Duncan Rockwell, and let's say we go to the phone password. Now let's say, for example, that the phone password here has been compromised, maybe for all subscribers, we do not know. And one of the requirements is that we need to reset the password for all subscribers. Well, in our environment, when we actually look at all of our subscribers, it's not that much, which you will see here coming up. But here we really have basically two subscribers, Duncan Rockwell and my account. Well, in most enterprise environments that will be using Cisco Unity, you could have thousands of accounts. So let's say that you need to change the phone password for thousands of accounts. Well, you do not want to go to each one and to change that. That's going to take a lot of time. And the system itself could definitely be compromised or breached in a very short period of time. How can I change the phone password for pretty much for all subscribers at once? Well, that's basically using the bulk edit tool. So let's go ahead and let's do this particular scenario base. We'll go to our Unity server and we'll go to the Unity Tools Depot. Here we'll go to the administration tools and let's locate bulk edit, which is, oh, here it is. And we'll double click on that. And first, these are basically some of the options that we could definitely do. We can change it based on call handlers or other type of subscribers. So basically we want to change the phone password for our subscribers. So basically that is checked, which is the default. So we'll click on next to continue. Next, we can say basically all subscribers, or we can basically search for subscribers. Well, let's just list all subscribers that is pretty much on the Unity server. So we can click on add subscribers to the grid. So these are all the user accounts that you saw basically are the subscribers on Cisco Unity. There's basically Duncan Rockwell and my account. Let's uncheck the example administrator, since that basically is not a valid voicemail box. And then once we select that, we can click on next. And now we can specify what we want to change, the subscriber changes. Well, we want to change the actual password, the phone password. So we'll click on the passwords tab and we'll go down to the bottom here and we'll say force phone password to be. And let's say 1234 as an example. So that will be the actual new phone password. Now we can click on next. And from here, we'll apply the changes, and we do that by saying update the subscribers. Of course, that was very fast because we just have two subscribers on our network. We see 0 errors and 0 warnings has been encountered. So basically, the change has been successful. So now we are finished. We can click on OK. We can click on OK again to view more like an output log of what was changed for reference. And now we can close this out and click on exit. So basically now whenever Duncan Rockwell or my account, Michael Tomatis, logs in to check their voicemail, they basically will, they'll probably input their own password, which will give them a failure. So they have to input the default phone password that we set up using the bulk edit. This change happens automatically, and they have to input 1234. So basically that would have to be communicated to the subscribers that the phone password has been changed with some kind of policy, email, or some other kind of communication. So that is how you can use bulk edit as an example with Cisco Unity.